Well, I've come down to Topcliffe and just looking up Widemore Lane here. If I just turn round, you can see that the river is incredibly high. I'm amazed the bridge is still open. So this is from Topcliffe Bridge, looking upstream. It's just horrendous. I just can't imagine it. And this is looking downstream from the bridge at the caravan park. Fortunately, most of the caravans seem to have been lifted. And although the water's flowing underneath them, it doesn't actually seem to have gone into the caravans at all. But it's a terrible sight, really. I'll just go and have a look down at Acenby and see what it's like down there. That is absolutely awful. I always feel quite wary standing at the middle of this bridge while this river's piling through here. You never know when it's going to give up. That is absolutely awful. Young lad here. Absolutely nuts. It's quite mesmerising, actually. I have a sneaking suspicion if the river rises anymore, they're going to close Topcliffe Bridge as an environment agency. Vehicle parked there. This is the river at Acenby. Leads stretch. You can see Topcliffe Church there shining in the sunshine. And the A168 in front of it. Topcliffe Bridge is still open. If it comes up any more, I suspect it will be shut. This is the 27th of December 2015. But the actual river channel is right in front of me. Those bushes there are on the other side of the river. There you can see the Mutton Burley Castle. And this is just looking downstream. You can go and have a look at the island, if it's still there. This is looking down on the island at Acenby. It's completely overwhelmed. It's difficult to believe that this is the second time in 4 years this. Well, it's the second time in 3 years. It's hard to believe. Because people blame global warming. It's absolutely nothing to do with global warming. big trees there with the sun on them. That's the island at Hastenby. Those of you who know this stretch will realise just how high it is when this old pillbox is underwater. And this is Sheep Hills. Here's somebody's car alarm going off down there. Let's go up and have a look at Topcliffe Mill. You won't be able to get near the place, but might be able to get something from the Northallerton Road. I suppose if you were desperate to get a line in the water, you could manage it here. The banks here are relatively tangle free. This is from the Topcliffe to Northallerton Road, and if you look across there you'll be able to see Topcliffe Mill. What a tragedy for them. You just get yourself sorted out and bang, you're at it again. This is Beedale Beck at Leaming. It's obviously the worst is over now, it's beginning to go down, so the Swale's obviously going down because this water is backed up from the Swale. That's just looking upstream. It looks a lot worse downstream. The land's a little bit flatter, so it spreads out an awful lot.